At MetroStar Systems, we've been supporting various federal government agencies within the DC area for the past 15 years. And during our time supporting our customers, we get direct insight into various use cases and business processes that usually involve lots and lots of paper. It's an old school mentality in which people feel that they need paper to do their work. So we took a look at the problem and said, okay, how can we address this issue? And we took a look at existing server technologies that our customers had, introduced new mobile technologies to help streamline their internal business process to make them more efficient, and at the end, reducing paper.
AFMA currently uses eBriefing to solve the problem of managing and updating procedures manual. This is a several hundred page long document that's managed and updated by around 9 managers. In the past, AFMA did all of this via paper and had led to around 5 iterations. With eBriefing, we're able to consolidate onto one platform and then disperse it onto Windows tablets and iPads.
We're no longer dealing with static documents. We're dealing with living, dynamic documents that change several times on a daily basis. We can use eBriefing for a variety of use cases. For instance, pushing out standard operating procedures that are updated on a weekly basis through a mobile device. We've also seen eBriefing used in a training and education field where we're pushing out updates to training manuals. In addition, the legal field where there's large amounts of data that lawyers have to deal with, and if they're constantly updated, you can consume that through a mobile device.
As a project manager supporting Interpol, giving law enforcement partners the opportunity to collaborate across agencies, across levels, federal, state, and local, and even international borders, the fact that they can collaborate on matters that make the world a safer place, that's invaluable.
Imagine this, a worker out in the field or an American soldier on a mission needing access to real-time critical data. This data can be pushed from headquarters or central command to eBriefing's mobile applications. Workers out in the field can access real-time critical data on the fly.
We utilize our infrastructure practice as well as our web development practice and our mobile practice to come up with a solution that meets all of the needs. What's critical for us is that we have one unified solution that's built on top of Microsoft technologies.
To build a briefing book with the eBriefing Builder app that runs in your SharePoint server, you simply add documents in a drag and drop fashion from either your local drive or from SharePoint in some other library, such as Word documents, Excel documents, PowerPoint, PDFs, images, you name it.
When you click the Publish button to create your eBriefing book, what our engine does is it actually takes all of that content and puts it into a format that's easily ingestible by our e-reader application. All of this takes place within the Microsoft stack of technologies. Our backend is supported on SharePoint 2010 and SharePoint 2013, and our application engines are all built on the Microsoft stack as well. The eBriefing Reader application resides on a mobile device or tablet on the Windows platform or on iOS. That's where your reader can then begin consuming the document, making notes, searching for content, highlighting.
These books are dynamic, they're not static, they're not something you publish once and forget about. They're constantly changing, evolving. The principle is being updated with new information.
So with eBriefing, we allow people to ditch the traditional books, the traditional binders, and reams of paper that users are usually used to with one of these tablet devices to allow you to easily search, interact, and consume your most dynamic data.